My name is Divyanshu. My topic is why we use English very well and importance of English. Importance of English in this time, it's important for all students because without English in coming soon, it's convert in a international language and it's a good language for speak with anyone and it's used in other countries very well because in other countries they not use any type of Hindi language, Gujarati language. They use only English language for speak to anyone, and it's very easy for speak very well and lot of benefits of English because we know about English and why we speak it. So it's very beneficial and in coming soon, it's a popular language. अरे चल भाई. Next is why we spoke English because first we know about grammar parts like part of speech. In part of speech there are lot of parts like preposition, part of speech, noun, pronoun, and etc. And after we know about WH family and tenses, all time communicate with our friends in English and make line in surrounding things and sentence or speak in English lot of time and it helps to we speak English very well and one type of there are lot type of do practice very well because in mobiles there are lot of apps for communicate with it and because in India not any person every person speak English very well and do practice lot of time and you have any type you don't have any type of device friend so you stand in front of mirror and communicate with our shadow. Okay. Next is English in important in technology because in English plays a very important role in mobile because in computer and lot of AI things because English and lot of AI think use English language because some you don't know about in Hindi in mobile because in this time any person not write in Hindi in mobiles and they write English in mobiles very well because they know why what would we write in mobile and in sometimes some mistakes are doing by humans. Most of the softwares mobile have and lot of games they are use English every time. Computer progress language and online tools are use also English language. Next is yeah, English important in jobs. Most of companies, office, and a lot of universities, IT companies use English language because in IT companies and a lot famous companies use English language for speak very well and it's a easy language for do interview. In IT companies, lot of interviews use English language because in IT companies work doing by computers and it's we know about English so we do work very easily and some people persons and some person don't know about their 12th class and 11th class they don't pass it and they are past 10th class so they go in IT company and take their job very well. Next is Next is English important in other countries. English helps to we speak in very well and communicate with other countries peoples and we know about what is this and we talk to anyone and take information of anything and it's help to people communicate very easily because it's a easy language and it's international language. Without India in India not use English language, but in other countries all persons are use English language because it's a mother language of other countries. Next is some We do PPT on importance of English for give value of it. We spoke English very well become coming soon, and we do practice for speaking English very well, and that's all, it's completed.